Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 10 CD slot mount for CarPlay screens. This mount is designed to make your driving experience more convenient, especially if you own a portable CarPlay screen or a GPS navigation device between 7 and 11 inches. The first thing you'll notice about this mount is its tool-free installation. Unlike traditional mounts that require screws or adhesives, this CD slot mount simply slides into your car's CD player slot and tightens with a knob. The process is straightforward and can be done in a matter of minutes, which is perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free setup. One of the standout features of the 10 mount is its sturdy construction. It uses a high-strength 4-hook bracket with a precision clamping mechanism. This means once your device is in place, it stays secure and stable, even when driving on bumpy roads. You don't have to worry about your CarPlay screen wobbling or slipping while you're behind the wheel. Another highlight is the mount's 360-degree adjustability. You can rotate the screen completely around and tilt it at multiple angles, allowing both the driver and passengers to find the perfect viewing position. This versatility is particularly useful if you switch between portrait and landscape orientations or need to adjust for glare from sunlight. The mount has broad compatibility, accommodating most 7 to 11-inch CarPlay screens and GPS units. However, there are a few exceptions. If your CarPlay screen has a built-in dashcam, the CD slot mount might block the camera, affecting recording quality. Also, it isn't compatible with curved or hidden CD slots or slots positioned too close to the gearshift. It's always a good idea to check your vehicle's CD slot dimensions before purchasing. The 10 mount is lightweight, weighing just over 3 ounces, and compact, so it doesn't add bulk to your dashboard. Its sleek design blends well with most car interiors, keeping your setup clean and professional. Inside the package, you'll find the CD slot mount itself, which is ready to install straight out of the box. No additional accessories or tools are needed. In summary, the 10 CD slot mount offers a secure, adjustable, and tool-free solution for mounting your CarPlay screen or GPS. With full rotation, multi-angle adjustment, and strong build quality. It's a practical choice for anyone looking to upgrade their in-car setup without the hassle of complex installation. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-install CarPlay screen mount, the 10 CD slot mount is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.